Start with a magic circle. And chain 2. The chain 2, it won't be counted as a stitch. Now make 12 double crochets in this circle. Once you're done, pull up this loop to close the gap. For this pattern, we'll be working in continuous rounds, so we won't be making a slip stitch over here. We will be directly starting with the next round. Next round, 2 double crochets in each and every stitch. This is the first stitch. Mark the first stitch with a stitch marker. One more double crochet in the same stitch. That's total 2 double crochets. Now continue with 2 double crochets in each and every stitch. At the end of this round, you should have 24 stitches. Next round, 1 double crochet in the first stitch, this one. Mark the stitch with a stitch marker and 2 double crochets in the next stitch. That's one increase made. Now repeat this, 1 double crochet and 1 increase in the next stitch, that is 2 double crochets. One double crochet, 2 double crochets, At the end of this round, you should have 36 stitches. Next round, 1 double crochet each in the next 2 stitches. 1, mark the first stitch and 2, and in the next stitch make an increase, that is 2 double crochets in the same stitch. Now repeat this, 1 double crochet each in the next 2 stitches. And 1 increase in the next stitch, that is 2 double crochets. At the end of this round, you should have 48 stitches. Next round, 1 double crochet each in the next 3 stitches. Mark the first stitch, 2 and 3, and in the next stitch make an increase, that is 2 double crochets. Now repeat this, 1 double crochet each in the next 3 stitches. And 2 double crochets in the next stitch. At the end of this round you should have 60 stitches. Now if you wish to make it larger, you can keep repeating the increase pattern. I'll give the details in the description box below. Now to finish off the circle, make 1 double crochet each in the next 2 stitches. One half double crochet in the next 2 stitches. One single crochet each in the next 2 stitches. And finally one slip stitch each in the next 2 stitches. You can weave off your yarn over here. I hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.